Earn by clicking watch. Watching internet videos or video advertisements is all it takes to earn $5 repeatedly. The likelihood is that if you are watching this video, you watch a lot of videos every day, yet are still losing money. You don't need any prior knowledge or experience to start earning up to $300 per day or more by just turning on your phone or computer and visiting this website. No credit card or other kind of payment is required. This approach is completely free and operates worldwide. If you are not in the US, you shouldn't be concerned. I'll provide you with 3 websites and apps to assist you to maximize your earnings so you can have several revenue sources running simultaneously. Make sure you watch the entire video without pausing. You can finally make some decent money online that might potentially change your life if you learn how to use all 3 websites. Follow my instructions and look at my samples. Let's watch the video. I'm about to show you the first website where you can quickly generate money by watching videos or video advertisements. Click play, watch the video, and earn money without any prior knowledge or expertise. I'll be showing you a total of 3 websites with a ton of real-life examples. So, make sure you stick with me until the end. You must stick to every instruction I provide in this video. To prevent any mistakes, see exactly how I do it before continuing and trying it yourself. To maximize your revenue in the shortest amount of time, you must use all 3 of these websites. So have a look at this. You can work online for your preferred brand and make real money. It's incredibly easy. The first step is watching a video. You can see how much time you have spent watching advertisements by watching them. They'll pay you and reward you every day based on how long you watch. After seeing those video ads, you can also get bonus cash if you take time to respond to a few straightforward questions. I'll walk you through every step in detail so you can complete the short survey and earn at least $0.50 up to $2 for each video you watch. Here's an additional tip that I'd like to provide you. For each friend you refer, you will receive an additional $1 payment from them. That is an additional bonus revenue stream that this website provides. Additionally, you can download offers from your favorite brands. Once more, be sure to watch all the way through for a detailed explanation of everything. For this website, you can start cashing out your money once you have earned over $10. The wonderful thing about this is that you can get real money and cash in only a day. In its first 12 months, this website paid out more than $632,000 in cash and rewards. Considering how new their website is, I haven't heard anyone else talk about them. As you can see, it's very easy to get paid to watch video ads and complete online surveys. They provide you with a choice of 4 payment methods. You are free to select however you would like. For instance, you might get paid via PayPal, bank transfer, gift card, or contribution. They are 100% free and can be found in the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. So I want you to pay special attention and look at this. Add Wallet is a free application. You can start using this app right after downloading it for free. A mobile phone and an email account are the only requirements to sign up for this opportunity. You can use the promo code FAQ, which is another special tip for you. Just by creating a free account, you can earn $1 extra for nothing. I'll walk you around the Google Play Store now. Make sure you search for and download the correct app. The name is Add Wallet, and the logo looks like this. Once more, the download is free and accessible worldwide. You can review your balance and the amount of money you have made using this app whenever you log into your Add Wallet account on your phone. You can watch the new videos and advertisements that will be displayed to earn money online. You can make up to $5 for each video you watch. For instance, as you can see, you have 3 new videos that are ready for you to see. After watching the advertisements, you can withdraw your earnings. You can start cashing out all of your money in 4 different ways on this website once you reach $10. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Next, let's visit BuxInsight.com, which is the second website. You can earn money online for this by viewing advertisements, and you'll be compensated every 10 seconds. As you can see, you're eligible for payment every 10 seconds. You only need to browse through several advertisers' websites, which is incredibly quick and simple. You can promptly cash out your funds within 24 hours and start receiving your payment. The best feature of this website is that you can start withdrawing your funds as soon as you reach $2. It is a very low minimum barrier that is simple to meet. As you can see, seeing the advertisement on this page will earn you money. This is a straightforward way for anyone to earn money on this website. Once more, there is a $2 minimum payment, and they support several currencies. You can receive payment from this website using a variety of methods. There are numerous payment methods accessible such as Payza, Advance Cash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Neteller, and more. Here are some additional advertisements that you can watch. When you click on one of these ads, you'll watch the incredibly basic videos and continue to be paid. Clicking on this advertisement will take you to this page where you must remain for 30 seconds. They will credit you with all the money after you close this website in only 30 seconds. Repeating the same operation is achievable. For instance, when you click on the following advertisement, you'll move on to the following website and make sure you stay there for an additional 30 seconds. If you want to get paid, make sure you do it correctly. Just a short reminder that nothing is required of you, nothing to click on, nothing to join up for. Visit the website, browse around, and spend no more than 30 seconds there to earn money. If you want to register for this website, make sure you click the register option and then proceed to this page. You must provide your email address, username, and the currency you want to be paid in when you access this page. Afterward, you must decide on your mode of payment. As you can see, they provide you with a variety of payment options. Enter your birth year, then you have to select here. Make sure to click yes to the statement, "I declare I have read, understood, and accepted the terms of service." They occasionally provide you with even more opportunities to make extra money. For instance, you can click on this button to create your free account after finishing the sign-up process. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!